Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another amazing video for you guys today. So in today's video, I'm going to be making an amazing leave-in treatment that will strengthen your hair, make your hair thicker, and will grow your natural hair longer. So the first ingredient I'm going to be using for this amazing leave-in spray treatment is aloe vera. Aloe vera have an amazing benefit for the hair. So aloe vera strengthening the hair. Aloe vera contain vitamin A, C and E. All the three vitamins that I just mentioned promote healthy cell growth. Aloe vera also stimulates hair growth. It reduces buildup on the scalp, and it's also amazing when it comes to dandruff and detangling your hair. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the aloe vera gel. I'll kick my shoes up if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. Once I'm done removing the aloe vera gel, I'm going to go ahead and put it aside, and I'm going to blend it off camera. Okay, so remember, when blending your aloe vera gel, do not add water because aloe vera contains 95% of water. In the meantime, we're going to move on to the next ingredient, and the final item I'm going to be using for this leave-in spray is cloves. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a pot, then I'm going to add water. After adding water, I'm going to add my clove. When it comes to the measurement of the water, depending on the amount of clove water you want, baby, let your head down, be a little wilder, baby, kick your shoes off. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer the pot to the stove. Allow the clove water to boil for 10 minutes until the color change. So clove has an amazing benefit, okay? As you guys know, clove is one of my favorite ingredients to use. I have tons of video on cloves on my channel, so if you're interested, do check out my videos, okay? Clove has an amazing benefit on our hair. It reduces hair loss. It stimulates blood circulation to the scalp. It stimulates new hair growth. It's amazing at fighting against dandruff, itchy scalp, and scalp inflammation. So clove, it's amazing when it comes to growing longer hair, okay guys? So if you want to grow longer hair, apply clove to your hair. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're watching without subscribing, please do consider subscribing to my channel and put on the post notification so you don't miss my future upload. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing. After the clove water have cooled down, this is how it looks. So as you can see, the clove water have changed color. Now I'm going to go ahead and strain the treatment. So this is how the spray looks like. You can add essential oils such as peppermint oil, rosemary oil, tea tree oil, or you can even add any oil of your choice such as coconut oil, avocado oil, rosemary oil. But for me, I'm just going to leave it plain as it is. So guys, this is how the aloe vera looked when blended, okay? So remember not to add water when blending your aloe vera because aloe vera contains 95% of water. Now I'm going to transfer the clove water into the blended aloe vera gel. Make sure you mix the clove water and aloe vera gel together. So once you've added your clove water and blended aloe vera, make sure you mix it together, then transfer it to your application bottle for easy use. Stepping on toes with these humble eyes. So this is how my clove and aloe vera hairspray is looking like. Now I'm going to show you guys how to apply the clove and the aloe vera leave-in spray treatment to your hair. So make sure you apply this leave-in spray on a wash hair. Okay, so make sure your hair is washed, as this treatment is a leave-in spray, so do not wash it out. So I'm going to make sure I focus on the scalp. Okay, make sure you apply it to your scalp. So don't forget to massage your scalp, as it promotes healthy hair growth. You can use this clove and aloe vera hairspray treatment twice a week, and it can be stored in the fridge up to 7 days. Remember, our end strands tend to be the weakest part, okay, and they tend to break off easily. So apply the treatment to the end strand as well, and which will also help you in retaining length. Okay, so that's the main purpose of this treatment, to grow a longer hair, thicker, and retain length. So you applying this treatment to your hair strand will definitely help you in retaining length, because your end strand will stop breaking.
Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Don't forget to add your favorite oil to your end strand, okay? Because our end strand tend to be the weakest part and they tend to break easily. Apply your favorite moisturizer to lock in the moisture. Then go in with any of your favorite oil to lock that in as well. As for me, I'm going to be using my DIY clove and star anise oil. If you're interested on how I made this clove and star anise, I'm going to put the link in the description box. So if you're interested, do check it out. Remember to also add oil to your edges as well, especially if you're struggling with breakage in the front of your hair. Now you can style your hair as you like. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.